lot of those people are either like Satanists and robot. I'm not going to humanize you, but you want to know something? A lot of those people who behave in this way where they're like, they're not even excited. They feel like this like sense of importance. Like, yes, I am going to court. And I, with my 2 cents, am going to make this decision that could influence a person's life while not going to school or college for that. And just a random citizen off the street. And I'm so important. I want to make this decision while not really knowing the law, not knowing what's going on. I'm not a judge. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just, a regular citizen. And I am so important. I'm so important. I'm going to make this decision that's going to affect a person's life in who knows, but I am so important, and I'm making this decision. Like, screw you. It's either a Satanist or a person like that who gave us a verdict, because they're like, oh, the jury chose that you are guilty of, like, it's your fault that the bank sued you because the bank was correct. Screw you. You're either a Satanist or an idiot off the street who doesn't know the law, doesn't know the situation, and you could have harmed our family. So screw you. And I feel like 2 things. For jury, there needs to be a jury school where people who want to be jury. It's okay if you want to be a jury and you want to be in the legal system. Guess what? You need to go to school for that. You need to know the situation, and there needs to be a different type of law for that. There needs to be a different type of situation. Because that is very weird. That is very creepy, satanic, and cult-like that a bunch of people off the street can make the decision. Like, what does the judge mean that it's in the jury's hands? A random stranger who doesn't know the law. Half of them don't want to be there. Half of them think they're entitled to something that they're special or important. So they're making a decision. And I personally feel like we should be able to have the names of all the jury who do these things so we could sue the jury. I feel like the jury should be able to be sued. And I feel like the jury should go to school. I don't feel like people should be off the street. Because like I said, normal people, they want to not go to jury duty. And the people who like are excited you're a robot, or the people, or a lot, like I said, a lot of juries, some of them are Satanists. It has to be Satanists. They're fake citizens and they're just Satanists because like this, otherwise it makes no sense why it works like that, right? Like, I feel like you're more human and more alive if you are angry going to jury duty. Because otherwise, like, you make no sense. You make no sense. So yeah, that's just my question. Like, what do lawyers